B9S5. I'm due for control arms, stock height, but unsure if I want to lower it later. Density line control arm kit or something else. Curious about your recommendations. Yeah, so our density line control arms are wonderful for a stock height or a lowered car. The only thing you want to do is you want to tighten all the bolts for the control arms with the car sitting at neutral ride height. If you change the ride height of the car, i.e. lowering springs or whatever, then you need to loosen all the control arm hardware and retighten it.
Just the inners, though. Remember, not all of it. The spherical, the
Yeah,
ball
any
joint
with
stuff.
the bushings.
You can tighten that up in the air or wherever. But
And anything with bushing, the rubber bushings.
rotating rubber bushings.
If you don't, then that will accelerate the wear on those bushings, and you'll have a preload on the bushing.